One.
Hi guys, we're gonna say it's raining tacos.
We're gonna play on the piano
and sing.
Yeah.
So, this is also our first video. Yeah, and
And
I'm Jasper.
It's gonna be
he's
a little
Dylan.
tiny bit wonky, not that wonky.
Yeah, because this is like our 5th try. Because our last one, my dad didn't videotape it. I don't know why. Something went wrong, I think.
Yeah, so blah blah blah. We're gonna start.
Also, this is our first video. I think I already said that. Okay. What just happened? Okay. No. It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos out on the streets. Tacos, all you can eat. Lettuce and shell, cheese and meat. It's raining tacos, raining tacos. It's like a dream. Yum, 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 yummity yum. Here's our cream. Shells, meat, lettuce, cheese, shell, meat, lettuce, cheese, shell, meat, cheese, 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 cheese. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Hey guys, that was actually very wonky because
But actually, the last one was much better.
yeah, the last one was much better, but he didn't videotape it.